Mr. Dang, mate.
Ano? Pronunciation na to? Caesar Pasiori. Made in Italy pero parang low-key brand lang. Mataas din naman yung retail price. Tapos
Made in cafe.
madami siyang details. Tapos calf leather na din kaya ganda na rin po.
Ganda nga ng height na ito eh.
Sport by military punk.
Oo.
Military punk yun.
Star static.
Lug sole. Kung everyday lang, pwede na rin. Bagay rin sa shorts eh.
Staples.
Good staples kung bagas. Next
Ito,
man.
Fry na
Iconic.
biker boots.
Burger boots.
Dito nag-inspired yung ano eh, Saint Laurent.
Walang wayats kung wala yan. Oo. Isa lang ba yung biker boots, pati engineer boots?
And the engineer boots, ano, belt.
Most likely
Ito,
like this.
most likely ganito siya.
Madaming straps. Ito
Ayan.
Bowman.
Ito, Balmain.
Engineer
Oo.
boots.
Ito naman, pick up ko. Sinama ko lang, maganda tignan eh.
Straps.
Balmain. Yan.
Ganito yung ano, ganito, parang dito inspired naman ni engineer. More on straps kasi yung engineer eh. Tsaka meron siyang parang ano dito. Garter ata yun. Literal na pang biker.
Oo. Okay,
Tapos
next
ito,
one.
banner.
Molten light.
Yan,
Ito.
nakita nyo na yan before.
Parang ano, tawag dito.
Hiking boots.
Hiking boots. Hiking boots actually
Typically,
talaga.
oo.
Pero syempre, ginamit na ano, modern na pinang-fit pick, mga gorpcore shit.
Nilagyan na rin ng lug sole, so para, syempre,
na.
Vibram para matibay. I mean, Vibram kilala rin sa hiking naman. So,
ito
good
naman,
still.
Most anticipated boots.
Yes, sir.
791V na Guidi. Kumbaga ito yung high cut ng 795V. Kasi yung 795 parang ano lang eh, mid-cut
Mid-cut.
lang. So yun, Vibram na rin, lug sole. Tapos yung ano nyo.
Look at that. Battery leather.
Ayan.
Horse leather. Old release pala siya, bro. Ayun, kung makikita nyo, maliit lang. And then, malaki yung font.
Ayan.
And then, ano yun, naka-emboss.
Emboss.
Ganyan magpa-LC, man. Joke lang. Ayan.
Ayan yung mga boots.
Goat skin suede.
Pledge ata yung pangalan. Ako, Pledge. Ayan o. Japan brand. Hindi siya ganun kasikat pero ganda na rin ang hardwares. Naka-re-zips na din. Most likely mga Rick Owens, di ba re-zips? Tapos may mga tassel siya. Para siyang ano, pinaghalong Ralph Simmons na Rick Owens ng type of shit.
Parang meron din ganda before na PPFM. So, ox to.
Ayan.
Pang slim type fit. Ayan. Tapos meron tayong ditong parang helmet lang ni Lou.
Ayan.
This
N65.
Pakita natin.
80s ba 90s? Ano kung may date ko dito eh?
90s. Made in USA. Hindi yata siya dated.
Hindi siya dated.
Hindi.
Pero naka-Scoville zip na rin eh, kaya alam mong vintage eh.
Alpha Industries.
Ayan. Hawakan mo nga man. So,
Yan o.
check natin ba. Fitting.
Yan. Walang inspiration sa helmet lang kundi ginawa yan.
Mo. Uy. Yung mga helmet lang din, mga oversized din yun, diba?
Oo. Galing sa military garments.
With that shit, man. Hindi lang ma-appreciate nyo. Ako parang boss type shit to.
Sa bagay, modern na rin. Ay, hindi. 90s siguro. Kasi kapag ano yan, pag mas luma yan, kulay green yan eh. Eh, di naman, wala namang black ng panahon ng 80s, saka ng ano, 70s, 60s.
Iconic silhouette ng mga military.
More likely, nag-release lang sila ng black na kulay, 90s na, tapos Y2K.
Okay din. Tapos meron tayo din dun jacket na.
Ayan.
Still have here one more man.
Parang Dior type shit
Parang yung ano, no?
na Hedi Slimane.
Oh, yung parang yung sa banda. Ayun yun.
MCR, My Chemical Romance. Black pa rin type pa.
Tapos nakaano siya.
Ayan, Japan brand din.
Parang bias tape yata yung tawag dito. Para sa parang
Mahirap.
ganito yung itsura.
Oo.
nun eh. Which is mahirap gawin. Good leather. Good leather.
Konti lang makaka-appreciate ng ganyan. Like, patin out na talaga. Alam ko, may sira to sa ilalim, di ba? Ayun, no?
Aging. Look at this dressing.
Ageual, no? Yung naganda rin.
Yan. 60s RL na overalls. Pero wala siyang bakal dito.
Wala na yung, ano, yung cinch back niya, no?
Oo. Yung famous bakal na ngayon. Naging mainstream na. Tapos, this is... 60s.
Selvage?
Selvage to man.
Yan, mga selvage. Ano na?
First selvage ko sana kasi maliit. Ano to, kay Recycle Rugs galing. Kishan. Shout out Shan. Tapos, kita niyo yung buttons. Yan. Tapos, pero parang may nabasa ako somewhere na parang around 50s or 60s yung ganito kasi.
Ay, yung parang pagkakatahi niya, no?
Tapos yung pag nilalagay ng rivets dito para sa reconstruction. Yan. Button up siya. So, ayun, so first and foremost, ito yung pants natin. These are made from 100% cotton, bolt wheel, hard denim. I think these are 12 ohms. And yung silhouette niya is, I think it's more on the wide, straight flare part. You can see here we have customized button here wherein meron siyang parang crack just to show the brand. Here we have like the brand spell out brand itself where like nakalagay deteriorated. And then yeah, nothing too much about these pants. I just want to share kung ano yung gusto ko about sa pants na to. In the next clip, I'll be showing and suggest sizing details on what my friends wore and what to wear, what to expect on the pants, and yeah. So here, Kin is wearing size 2, which is size 32 with a length of 42.5, 31 inseam. Kin is 5'10 and at 63 kg, so ganyan yung itsura ng pants sa kanya. Kin is very tall, so like hindi magi-stack masyado yung pants sa kanya, but like you can see the flare pa rin, and like if you want to wear size 32 and you're 32 and maybe you're 5'7 or like below 5'10, maybe they will stack and mas magmumukhang flare siya. And there's me wearing size 1, which is size 30. I am 32 on the waist, so like on the slimmer side yung fit sa akin, but like you can see the inseam mataas pa rin and like mahaba since 31 pa rin, and like kita pa rin yung flare, yung stacking mas maganda, and I prefer to wear this rather than 32 because mas gusto ko yung slimmer side. And if you want to wear 30, maybe ganun nga, mas maganda, mas wide leg fit siya. Here is Lou wearing size 3 with size 35 on the waist, 43 length, and then 13 yung leg opening. Still 31 yung inseam natin, pero si Lou is 5'8 at 80 kg, and then his waist is like 36 inches, pero you can see the stack on his legs, mas maganda, mas nagmukhang slimmer siya, and then mas maganda rin yung flare sa kanya, which is okay na. So yeah, a little suggestion lang, if you want to wear true to size, expect lang na medyo slim siya, and then not on the wider fit, depending on your thighs kung malaki or not. And then if you want wider fit, maybe you can adjust or upsize if you want. And ganun lang din if you want to like smaller fit or like slimmer size. On the slimmer side, you can downsize naman. So yeah, a little disclaimer lang sa pants natin based on the sizing, since gawa siya ng small team lang and not by a big manufacturer or factory with a lot of exploited people. The reason why doon ko siya pinagawa sa small team na yun, which is 2 tao lang, is to support them. is to support yung mga local na manggagawa natin. So, I believe in their talent naman, I believe in their hard work. So, like, sa kanila ko na lang pinagawa. And, of course, we didn't pay ng low sa kanila. We paid a lot to really, like, support them. So, yeah. Ayun nga, so a little disclaimer lang, baka meron or yung makuha mo na size is merong different or like slight changes or like slight different from the size chart itself kasi ayun, gagawa lang siya ng dalawang tao, which is hindi siya yung parang big factory na super organized, you know. But we made sure naman na parang maayos pa rin yung pagkakagawa nila and like super close pa rin dun sa intended na sizes natin. So yeah, yun. Of course, the main goal pa rin naman is the sustainability part. We have to support lang din yung mga nasa tabi natin, yung mga random na tao na gumagawa lang ng mga kung ano-ano, pero binubuhos nila yung buhay nila talaga doon, di ba? So, ayun, ayun lang din, parang if ever lang habaan talaga kayo sa fans, so don't cut them by yourself. Siguro dalhin nyo na lang sa mga local na mananahay nyo and just tell them kung anong or gaano kahaba yung mga iguguro nyo because pair nyo naman yan. You can decide for yourself kung ano yung gusto nyo gawin. So yun lang din. I hope you enjoy sa mga bibili ng mga pantalon. I hope you enjoy them. I hope mag-build kayo ng relationship with your clothes. I hope tumagal sa inyo yung damit. I hope magustuhan nyo kung ano yung itsura over time, kung ano yung mangyayari. So, from the name itself nga, deteriorate pants. So, over time, masisira siya, magkakaroon siya ng heel bite kung hindi nyo ipapagupit. Magkakaroon siya ng mga dumi over the heel part. So, it will be uncomfy, pero you'll get used to it.